What's up? It is Nina and Jordan coming to you live from the Kia, what is this? A Kia Forte. It is January 10th. We are heading towards San Diego right now. The road trip starts now. Stay tuned. What's this place called again?
I'm looking. I forgot.
I forgot. Hi, we are at our first stop. Of course, we are getting burritos right now at Señorita's Prime Tacos in Santa Monica. We've seen it on LA Eats. We're gonna try it out. Looks bomb.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay.
So we're at La Jolla Beach. We just hiked down one of the most treacherous hikes that we've been on yet. Super slippery. We had to rappel down some roach. And now we're on this beautiful beach here. A bunch of people surfing. A lot of people staring at us too.